I found this little cardinal in the road. Didn't look like he was dead, and he was flapping around a little bit, and I can't tell if he's a juvenile or what. But we're going to try and give him some more Gatorade. Wee! Kickstart your heart, buddy. What's up with that? Surviving off a Gatorade. What do you think, Louie? Maybe we should keep him? Keep him around until he learns how to fly? Or he gets better? What do you want to call him? What's his name? What do you want to call him? Huh?
What's your name?
I'm trying to ask him. We have to name him.